Being a big mushroom lover, I remember a few years back when I had the good fortune to visit Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, which happens to be the mushroom capital of the world. There, I got to see firsthand how mushrooms grow inside in what looked like old army barracks. And yes, they grow in the dark. Another really cool thing that I learned that day is that portobello mushrooms, like these, are simply cremini mushrooms that are left to grow for a few extra days. And now I'd like to share with you a way to turn these into a mouth-watering veggie pizza. We start by brushing both sides of a few portobello mushrooms with olive oil that we mix with some minced garlic and season them with salt and pepper. Then mozzarella cheese goes on each one, and we top them with slices of grilled tomato. Pop these into a hot oven, and when the cheese is melted and the mushroom is super tender, they're done. A little fresh basil, and these are ready to serve for a fill-you-up lunch or a nice change of pace summertime dinner. To get the recipe for what we call our Perfect Portobello Pizza, all you have to do is visit our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh and flavor-packed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.